Hi friends, welcome again. So this is what I have done this time. Tinted the windshield of my car. I did it through the authorized service center. Initially I was skeptical of doing this. Then again I went on with it. The video you are seeing here is taken before I have tinted my windshield. Let me show you a comparison of the windshields before and after tinting. Here it is. The video on the right side was taken before tinting the windshield, and on the left is taken afterwards. The differences are very much noticeable to the naked eye. It does makes a huge difference during daytime. The scorching sun doesn't affect your eye too much, and you can have a comfortable drive. It is good in places where there is sunshine throughout the year, just like the place where I live. I think the installation process was somewhat tedious. They had to remove the windshield, stick the cooling paper from the inside, and then refit it again. So there was no issue in daytime running. I had to check if there are any issues during nighttime driving. At the end of this clip, I will show you how this windshield fares during nighttime. Whether it is affecting the visibility or not, let us see in the next clip. So let's go to the next clip and see how it fares during nighttime. So this is how it fares during nighttime. To be honest, there is no noticeable reduction in vision. Maybe a 5% or 10% reduction is there, but it doesn't affect much. On the high side, you are not affected by the headlights of the oncoming vehicles. It effectively prevents the headlights of the oncoming vehicles from blinding you. So it does more good than bad during nighttime. People like me who mostly drive in rural roads should be a bit more cautious, because the visibility is less on the sides of the road where the throw of the headlight is not there. That is the only disadvantage in using this windshield. Though it has a disadvantage, it does an excellent job in preventing the headlights of the oncoming vehicles from blinding you. Let me show you another clip where we can clearly see the difference. This clip was taken using my mobile. Let me down the window. Now we can clearly see the difference. Let us see it from the other side also. Please share your experience if you have done this. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please press subscribe button and click on the bell icon.